Hello, beautiful community. A couple of weeks ago, I got some wood from John and Lynn just up the road. They removed some pittosporum plants from the front garden, and they were kind enough to save a few of the roots of the pittosporum plants. And in a couple of videos ago, I showed the plants in the back of the ute. And I got a small piece of pittosporum wood and turned it just to see what it would look like. And normally with the garden plants, when they're turned, they're light in colour and they don't have any character. They're fairly soft, they're easy to turn, but they just don't have the character that I like. Anyway, I tried the small piece that I had on the back of the ute, and I was amazed by the colour and the grain structure of it. And once I turned it down to a size that would fit into a plastic pot, we filled it with a blue coloured resin, and I let it sit there to cure for a few weeks. And it was those couple of weeks while it was curing, the family travelled to Central America for our annual winter holiday. We normally head north in the winter just to get a little bit warmer, and this year before we left we had the heater on 21 just to keep us warm, and we ended up going over to Central America and we toured El Salvador, Nicaragua and Honduras. We had the air conditioner at night on 21 just to keep us cool. So it was beautiful weather over there. It certainly helped to spend a couple of weeks away from the cold weather that we have at home. So Central America was a wonderful place. The people were lovely, the scenery was fantastic, and the kids had a wonderful time. So once we got back home, there was quite a few frosts, and we had the wood heater full of wood just to keep the shed warm while we turned the pittosporum plant. So it had been cured for 2 weeks, put it back on the lathe and turned it down into a pot. I was going to make a pencil pot like I've been doing for the cook. I've been turning some pencil pots for her Christmas gifts, and I'll probably do a video on some of those pots. I've got different styles and different types of wood, so I might do a video later on those ones. But this one is a bit too small for a pencil pot, and so I thought it would probably be an ideal to put paintbrushes in. So turning the wood, mainly used carbine tools for it. I only used the 1/2 inch spindle gouge just to finish off the outside, just used it as a scraper. Then it was sanded and polished. And once I'd finished it, I dropped it off at John and Lynn's place. Lynn's a wonderful painter, and so I thought it would be an ideal paintbrush pot, and hopefully once she gets back into painting she'll be able to use it. Anyway, that's the results of the pittosporum plant, and I've got a couple more of the plant roots sitting out there that I need to clean up, and I'll make something out of those now that I know that the wood's got a lot of character, a lot of colour, and it turns very nicely. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.